Hello you beautiful lot, welcome to today's little video on PurpleVision. Now there's strange noises being heard in the northeastern end of Wellingborough. Someone in Finedon was saying, Purple, investigate them strange noises. It just turns out, as I love the railways, I have an answer for you. So I am here at the bottom of Finedon, near Wellingborough. We've got Wellingborough GBRF yard. It's where they've got a load of stone that's being used to build the HS2. So all day you'll see HS2 lorries go in and out of there. Big blue ones, Andrew's written on the side. But in that yard, there's bulldozers and they scrape the gravel and they mound it. I mean, just behind these trees, it's massive. I've got drone footage, I'll show you. But in that yard, they've got the bulldozers and they scrape the ground. Now they do work day and night in there. And it sounds like a bit of a UFO. You can hear it all across the land. So, I mean, I've been hearing it for quite a while because I stay at the cottage, of course. So, yeah. Thought I'd let you all know, no need to be scared, it's not aliens, it's not underground tunnels, it's a rail freight yard. Oh dear, hope that helps. I'll see you a lot later. Right, I've got quite a few videos that have gone up on the local area as well, so there's a lot more to do, all following this Eric Tonks book, brilliant. So, yeah, stay tuned, go like and subscribe to PurpleVision and to Purple's Railway Adventures. If you like railways, then you're going to love Purple's Railway Adventures. Anything railways then and now. Or if you're quite local to Wellingborough and you want to know the history of the place, PurpleVision, come see what's going on. And little videos like this explaining alien noises. Alright, that'll do. Peace, love and light. A whole heap of unity. Look at that. Isn't it beautiful?